Good evening. I'm Shreya K of Class 8E, here to present a report presentation on one of the most commonly used illicit substance, cannabinoids or marijuana. Cannabinoids are naturally occurring compounds found in the cannabis sativa plant. Of over 480 different species, around 66 are named cannabinoids. Cannabinoids exert their effects by interacting with specific cannabinoid receptors present on the surface of cells. More than 100 cannabinoids other than THC and CBD have been identified. Main three recognized species of this plant are Cannabis sativa, Cannabis indica, and Cannabis ruderalis. There are many different forms of cannabinoids, such as hashish, made through separation of trichomes from the cultivated plant, charas, made by rubbing the top of the live plant, ganja, the flowering or fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, bhang, prepared from the leaves and seeds, marijuana, sinsemilla, and many more. There are many risks in using cannabinoids, such as this drug impairs short-term memory and learning, the ability to focus and coordination. It also increases heart rate, can harm the lungs, and can increase the risk of psychosis in vulnerable people. Data suggest that 30% of those who use marijuana may have some degree of marijuana use disorder. People who begin using marijuana before the age of 18 are 4 to 7 times more likely than adults to develop a marijuana use disorder. Testicular cancer, respiratory disease, and mental health problems are other examples of risks of using cannabinoids. Cannabinoids are recently used for medical purposes, and therefore states like Uttarakhand has been allowed to cultivate them. It is now legal in some states for medical and recreational use. Low quality evidence suggests its use for reducing nausea during chemotherapy, improving appetite in HIV or AIDS, improving sleep, and improving tics for Tourette syndrome. Some people use marijuana for its pleasurable high, which is why this is a very serious problem to consider. Therefore, it is strictly illegal to use or cultivate cannabinoids or see them in possession, and who are found doing so are to be jailed for 10 years, which could vary according to the quantity of the drugs, and will be liable to pay rupees 1 lakh. Drugs aren't cool, they make you look like a fool. Thank you.